Welcome to TechTree. Myself Vineet. In this video we will try to create custom marker interface. So let's open Eclipse and let's try to create custom marker interface. So I'll create a custom marker interface deletable. Let's create an interface deletable and let's see how can we use this custom marker interface with our code. So because it's marker interface, so we don't need to create any method or anything, right? Let's create an entity class. Let's create a person class. Yeah, let's create some attributes. Let's say ID and name, right? Let's create setter getter. So we can generate the setter getter. Generate setter getter. Yeah, fine. Let's generate constructor. Yes. Let's generate equals and hash code. Yeah, okay, fine. So this is our person class. About equals and hash code I will create another video. So here we will use only custom marker interface. Let's create a person repository class. Person repository will contain the objects of person class. So let's create a hash map. In this hash map we will store all person objects based on ID. Let's create constructor. In the repository let's define create method. So what this create method is doing, so create method is creating this object, person object, and putting in hash map. We can also put this object in database, so you just need to change this code. Let's define another method, get by ID. This method is just returning the person object from this hash map. You can also write the code to get the data from database. Let's create a print method. So it is just printing the values using for each loop. This is the lambda expression that I have used. I'll create another video on lambda expression. Let's override toString method in person class. Generate toString. Yes. All done. Let's so if we will look, let's create delete method. So how many method we have created? We have created constructor, we have created create method. Create method just creating the object of person class and putting in hash map. We have created get by id and we have created print method. Let's create delete method. Here we will use marker interface, our custom marker interface. So let's see the implementation. So delete method is deleting the person object by id. Here at line number 29 we are calling get by id method. So person, we have got the person and we are checking if person is instance of deletable. This is important. Here the marker interface is used. If it is not the instance of deletable, then we will get exception. Object is not deletable and you cannot delete this object. So we have to mark this person class deletable if we want to delete this object from the repository. Let's create a test class. Tick on this public static void main. Let's create the object of repository here. Now we will create a few objects. Prepo.create and I'm passing the data here. Now let's print this. Let's print the data. Now let's run the code. Yes, so we have two objects, so both objects are getting print. Now let's comment out this print and now let's try to delete. Let's leave it here. Let's try to delete the object by id. So I want to delete first object. Let's run this class. Here I will get exception that object is not deletable. We cannot delete the object because let's mark it deletable. That is the marker interface, the marker interface that we have created. So we have to mark our person as deletable if we want to delete. Implements deletable. Let's run this class and let's print some separator and again after deleting this let's print it again. See, now object has been deleted. We haven't get any exception. So before deleting we had two objects. Now we have only one object because this one we have already deleted. So if we define, we can definitely create our marker interface. If we have marked some class as a deletable or that we can use anywhere using instance of so here you can see if p is instance of deletable, p is not the instance of deletable, then I'm just throwing this exception. So this is about custom marker interface. Thanks for watching.